And then I got into shock horror, replacing skies. That was a bit controversial, if you want to use that word, back in the day. And so as I progressed and then AI came out, for me, it took the gloves off where I could be creative and let my imagination just roam. I create a background with AI, and then I create an element like a teapot, if I can use that. And then I combine them together. So I'm doing what I call AI composite imagery. You've got to also, not got to, but also look at it. Just playing for the sake of playing and creating an image is actually good for the soul and good for the mental health. I'm on a little bit of a stand here with that, Mark, because as adults, we sometimes forget the joy of playing. And so you still got to play no matter how old you are. And when you're working with creating an image, the rules of composition can be broken. So let's get rid of this lovely triangle over here. Now, I'm going to point out a couple of things for you. For me, this is letting my imagination roam. There's no way I could photograph this. And blend modes are your next best friend, as well as opacity when you're creating composites. You play with the blend modes. You have an idea, you try it. It's not going to self-destruct. It's just about playing. I'll say, contrary to the urban myth, sometimes you have a plan and an idea, and other times you have no idea. The dog in the chair is the main character. That's the focus. The bird is just a support act. Remember I said before, it doesn't have to be complicated. I had no idea what I was going to do. I knew I was going to do the whoop and the chair, but I didn't know what other elements I was going to put. When you're prompting, you need to think, I'm talking not to another human. You can tell when you see people put two together, AI generated, and I go, yeah, it looks stuck on. The tools now that are coming in to these art generated models is just incredible. And there she is, my little girl in the cage. And there is a metaphor and there is a story to this. So this is where you can either play with fun or you can tell a story. You're expressing yourself using digital art. And some people will go, but that's not a tree. Hey, in my imagination, it is a tree. My style is very minimalist. I don't like a lot of busyness in my images, but that's fine. That's my style. AI is not photography. I never call it photography. It is just a tool. This is where your imagination and having the tools there, if this is your thing, composite, have your stash, build it up. Even though you may not use it, it's there. It's been a real pleasure, and I love sharing my passion for being creative. And we all do what speaks to our soul, and this is what speaks to me.